Before we start, you need to download these two files from Lecture 3 channel in Microsoft Teams. When you unpack the compressed file, it will give you server.dateframe.java and client.frame.java. First, we need to create a new Java project for the server-side application. Right-click to create a new Java project. Select Java project. We name our project TCP Date Server App. Click Next, and then click Finish. Click Don't Create. A new Java project is created. This project represents the server-side application. Next, we import the class that we have downloaded from Lecture 3 channel in Microsoft Teams. Right-click to import. Select File System, and then click Next. Go to the place where we download and extract the file. Mine is in Downloads, Lecture 3 Frames, double-click, and click Open. I want to import server date frame, so I select this one and click Finish. The class will be imported in my application here. Okay, let's move this class into the SRC. Okay, and I have one error, and this particular class should be moved to package server date. And server date is created. The class that I have imported is moved into the package. Now the class is in the right package. Before we start to code, let me explain the methods provided by server.dateframe.java. This class named server.dateframe.java is a class that will display the happenings at the server side. Okay, in this class we have the constructor. Okay, inside the constructor it will load the component. So we have one method here, load component. So what the load component do, it will arrange the GUI component on the frame. And then we have one method named update request status. This particular method here will update the status of requests sent to the client. And then we have update server status. This method here will update the status of the server, whether it is waiting for connection or connection have received.